Nature has perfected the art of growing vibrant life for millions of years, and a critical ingredient in this lush dance is the very soil beneath our feet. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a complex recipe book that supports life in myriad ways. Today, we'll delve into what makes the perfect soil mixture and how understanding this can help you craft your own garden paradise. To begin, think of soil as a living entity. It's teeming with microorganisms, fungi, and organic matter that all play unique roles. These elements come together to create the foundation of what plants need to grow. A balanced soil mixture typically includes three key components: sand, silt, and clay. Each one offers distinct benefits. Sand, with its larger particles, ensures drainage. Silt, finer than sand but still gritty, adds fertility. And clay, the smallest, retains nutrients and moisture. However, just combining these doesn't automatically yield perfection. The magic lies in the balance. For instance, sandy soils, known for quick drainage, can leave plants thirsty. Clay soils, conversely, might hold too much water, suffocating roots. The perfect mixture, often a loam, incorporates roughly 40% sand, 40% silt, and 20% clay. This proportion offers excellent drainage while retaining nutrients and sufficient moisture. Beyond texture, the organic matter adds an extra dimension. Compost, leaf mold, and well-rotted manure enrich soil with essential nutrients, fostering life and improving structure. These elements decompose, continually feeding the soil's dynamic and ever-evolving ecosystem. Maintaining soil health doesn't stop with mixture. Regular testing and annual amendments can keep your soil thriving. Each adjustment further tailors the soil to your particular climate and plant's needs. So, next time you dig into the earth, remember the unseen recipe book at play. By understanding and crafting the right soil mixture, you can unlock the potential for growth and vitality, harnessing nature's wisdom to create your own slice of Eden.